Because you said कि 1970s में जब आपके फादर वाइन शॉप चलाते थे तब women would look at you in a different way and तब women मतलब खरीदती नहीं थी, दूर से रहती थी, etc etc. Today I was reading a stat that 60% of cocktails in bars are ordered by women. 40% of beer are ordered by women. So public shame has gone away. What has changed in these last 40-50 years?
People are well traveled. Kids are going all over the world to study. People are coming back to India. Our travel, if you travel UAE, travel Singapore, travel wherever you, any part of the country, any part of the world, obviously the culture is different and we always copy the West.
Okay.
So I think a lot of that has helped. There is no more public shame at all in alcohol. There is no more taboo in alcohol. There's no more. I think today alcohol is not looked at. It's a necessity. It's become a necessity. I think more than a luxury drink.
Necessity is such a bad word to use for.
I think it's become a necessity because social necessity हो
It's
गया
become
है.
a lifestyle probably, but not necessity.
I think it's मतलब आप क्या करोगे सैटरडे को? आप बॉम्बे में क्या करोगे सैटरडे को? अगर आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठे हैं तो what can you do? You will end up going in a restaurant. Which restaurant does not serve alcohol? You will end up going in a bar. What do you do? So I think ठीक है आप मूवी देखने चले जाएंगे. So I think it is, and I think weekend social drinking has become is acceptable.
It is, but is it something that you've seen specifically कोई time या timeline या year or some phenomena that was a pivotal point in Indian context कि slowly gradually हुआ है?
नहीं, slowly gradually हुआ है, but I think at least in Bombay, in Maharashtra, Living Liquids has played a very good role in women coming and shopping in alcohol. So I think I'm very proud of that today, that due to the cultural change also, we built stores in time for people, people could come, and shop. And so our 60% clientele was women, even at Spencer's that time.
In 2004-5?
In 2004-5, yes. Because women would come to Spencer's to shop.
हाँ.
To end up, our 60% clientele was women who were shopping. And I think they started from there. That was probably the starting point as well.